sweeties. Today we will be traveling to another beautiful province here in Southern Thailand. We traveled far for the Southern Thailand English Program Open House Meeting 2022. We decided to go out to hunt for food for dinner. They are still discussing food while I am just enjoying the surrounding foggy mountains. Selfie first before dinner. We have a bounty of appetizing foods on the table with lovely people. It's a delightful dinner.
Teacher ni rice เดี๋ยวไอจะให้อยู่มาอยู่ได้ถ่ายรูปนี่ทีเชอร์ถ้าเจนิเฟอร์มาเจนิเฟอร์ก็ทีเชอร์นี่ได้อลิฟเรียกอังุ่นสองเจนิเฟอร์ชอบถ่ายรูปอันนี้ใส่ YouTube teacher
Now that we are full, it's time to document this great time through a photo shoot. are now back in our hotel, getting ready to retire to bed. Tomorrow is the big day. Good night, sweeties. Good morning, sweeties. It's around 6 in the morning. And once again we are on our way to hunt for our breakfast before the conference. The venue of the conference is close to the hotel where we spent the night, so we will have our brekkie around here. The weather is so nice, so I don't mind taking a long walk. We were looking for a certain local eatery, and we got lost. Wow. This conference was attended by representatives from around 50 schools all over southern Thailand. Lunch break with the mountain view. The Southern EPMEP Open House Conference ended earlier than expected. Now it's time to chill.